When you're scheduling, you'd like the capability to tell your vacuum what areas to clean and or mop. The T20 Omni gives you more scheduling versatility than ever before. However, setting it up is not really straightforward. You can schedule vacuuming and or mopping or both simultaneously and what suction and passes settings you want for each specific room with each specific schedule. Even the option to vacuum first and then mop if you prefer. First off, when you go to scheduling, you click on add and you see an option at the bottom right called customize. Underneath there you'll see scenario not created. At the making of this video, the T20 Omni is the only one that I'm aware of that has this feature. The X1 does not have it. To create what is called customized scenario cleaning, on your map at the bottom where the start button is, you scroll to that bottom area to your left. You'll then see customized scenario cleaning. It will give you a daily cleaning example. When you click on management, it gives you a choice of maps if you have more than one. At the bottom you have more examples. Once the correct map is selected, you click on create cleaning scenario. You then can select which room and what settings for each room and give each scenario a name. Then go back to scheduling. Click on add. This is where you set the time. It defaults to the current time. And then how often. Then select customize. Click the cleaning scenario you want. And then save. And that's how you set up customized scenario cleaning. I hope this helps.